what is one thing you'd like to leave with the audience before we wrap up?
Gosh, I think for me a good partnership is about ease of doing business both ways. And I think for me, that's where Avanti really sit. It's easy to do business with you guys. You've got a great set of products and a portfolio that is relevant to our customer base. But not only that, you get the channel, you get the value that the reseller can bring. Um, and as I said, it's ease of doing business. We have nearly 1,700 vendors on the books. And to keep all of those going, we need them to be easy to do business with.
Yeah.
And Avanti are definitely one of those.
I think one thing I've learned through my many years in the industry is ease of doing business. I want to think that all of our transactions are turnkey and everything works perfectly and seamlessly. But what I have learned is it's also about being transparent and working together to grease those systems, right? And
Yeah,
to allow you the ability to provide feedback to help us be better.
yeah. Someone said to me once about golf, it's not how good your good shots are, it's how good your bad shots are. And I think that really, from an IT reseller
Yeah.
perspective, is those partners that we do business with. Yeah, we're never going to get it right all the time, but it's how do we fix those problems? And if you've got that great relationship and those communications across all of those people that we've mentioned, then it's easy to fix them.